Do you know what? Do you know the reason why we are here? Why you are here? It's all for the glory of God. It's all in the love of God. Anong niyata ka ron? So, student ta, soon mag-graduate ta. So, natin mga sariling passion, all we have to do is to discover our purpose, persevere on the challenges, don't give up. Okay, offer natin sa iyahang na. Okay? Someday, you will reap what you sow. Okay, another thing is that, what is the greatest failure in life? Okay, very good. It is when you are successful in a wrong assignment. So thank you so much.
If I could, I'd rewrite history. I'd choose differently. If I could, I would. I'd leave out the part where I broke your heart in the garden shade.